Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Gmail with Advanced Protection Program steps, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. Type in the URL www.gmail.com in the address bar. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. You will be redirected to the Gmail sign-in page. Locate the sign-in button and click on it. If prompted, enter your email address associated with your Gmail account. Click on the Next button. Now, you will be asked to enter your password. Please enter your password carefully. Click on the Next button once again. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will receive a verification prompt. Follow the instructions on the screen to verify your identity. Once the verification is successful, you will be taken to your Gmail inbox. If you are using the Advanced Protection Program, you might encounter additional security steps. Follow any specific instructions related to the Advanced Protection Program as they appear. Your Gmail account is now logged in securely. You can start using your inbox and access all your emails. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.